Teladoc Health Review, my honest experience with virtual care in 2025. Virtual healthcare has come a long way, and Teladoc Health is one of the biggest names leading that shift. But how does it really feel to use Teladoc in 2025? Here's my honest experience with their virtual care service: the good, the bad, and the unexpected. Most people assume telemedicine is cold and impersonal, but the surprising truth is that Teladoc offers a remarkably human experience. Setting up my account took less than 5 minutes, and I was connected with a licensed doctor within an hour, all from my phone. The interface is clean and user-friendly. You can choose between general medical care, therapy, dermatology, and even nutrition consultations. I used it for a mild sinus infection, and the doctor listened carefully, asked questions, and prescribed medication electronically. The entire process took about 20 minutes, saving me hours compared to an in-person visit. One feature I really liked was the ability to upload photos and health documents before the call. It made the consultation smoother and more efficient. Plus, follow-up messages were handled directly in the app, no waiting on hold or endless emails. Cost-wise, Teladoc accepts many major insurance plans, and for those paying out of pocket, a general visit ranges from $2. Mental health sessions are more expensive, but still cheaper than traditional therapy. Now for the downside: sometimes wait times can stretch during peak hours, especially for mental health services. And while the doctors are professional, continuity can be tricky since you might not get the same physician every time. Overall, Teladoc Health in 2025 is a reliable, convenient, and affordable way to access quality care. It's not meant to replace your primary doctor, but it's a lifesaver for quick consultations or when you're traveling. If you value speed, accessibility, and comfort, Teladoc is absolutely worth trying.